Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Neeraj. Today we are covering one of the most critical and important equipment in every pharmaceutical sector, R&D, food sectors and beverages. That is stability chamber. If you have ever wondered how company test shelf life, product durability from temperature to ICH guidelines, so that video is for you. I'm covering everything. Now let's begin. This is our stability chamber from Precious Techno Engineering. These all are for export purpose only. We are shipping to Costa Rica. This is the beast of the laboratory which maintains perfect temperature and humidity to check how long your product stays stable. Yes, you are right. That is the real shelf life. And guess what? It follows global standards such as ICH, WHO, GMP, FDA approvals. So your product is ready for any international market. So there are some common conditions we can keep on it. 25-degree temperature on 60% RH, 30-degree on 65% RH, 40-degree on 75% RH. These are the big three for long-term and accelerated studies. Inside, you get precision HMI controller, uniform airflow, stainless steel inside chamber, and advanced data login. In fact, you are getting 21 CFR compliance and all safety features. Everything you need it for 100% accurate results. So this is our stability chamber. This is a 7-inch HMI PLC screen, and it's our beautiful branding, Precious Techno Engineering. And now I'm going to open it. So again, this is our branding is coming into the controller. So it shows the set value 21 and 75 is the humidity that is showing by RH. Today is 1st December 2025. Now open the light. I'm showing you how to set any temperature and humidity. For example, we want to set 25. Now press 25.0. The set value is 25 now. And present value we want, this is the set value for RH. We want to take it as 70. 70.0. There are so many features inside the stability. For example, this is operator supervisory factory. If you want to go in the factory settings, it asking for the password. Password is, so it shows the temperature, RH, compressor, water level, door open, power fail, mapping, everything is in the HMI. It is 21 CFR compliance. Now we don't want to touch it, so we are going back. And if you want to see how our wiring is, I just take a look. This is the cable for taking data from the chamber. This is the proper wiring we have. Proper ferroling, proper DIN valve, DIN rail. This is the PLC box, isolator, SMPS, relay, fan. Inside this is the compressor, and this is the filter so that the good air comes inside the electric panel. This is the first wire, first pipe is for draining the chamber, another is airflow pipe. And here is the solenoid valve so that the water comes inside, and it takes how much water according to their need. So this is the overall look of the machine. I'm showing you. This is the overall look of the machine. Here below is the compressor. The main thing of this stability chamber, this is our whole Indian made product. There is nothing inside any foreign country material. This is all Indian. So this is the chamber. Thank you for watching our video. If you want more videos for photo stability chamber, then share your thoughts in comments, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more technical insights. So this is all about the video. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.